If you are over 60 and you've ever been told that slowing down, losing strength, or feeling tired all the time is just normal aging, today is the day that belief ends, because the truth is far more empowering than you've been led to believe. Aging does not mean giving up energy, confidence, or independence. It means learning how to work with your body instead of against it. And once you understand that, everything changes. Right now, millions of seniors believe their best years are behind them. They wake up stiff, move slower than they used to, and feel frustrated that simple tasks require more effort. They assume this is inevitable. But science tells a very different story. The human body, even after 60, is incredibly adaptable. It responds to care, nourishment, movement, and mindset faster than most people realize. Muscle loss, fatigue, poor balance, and low energy are not signs that your body is done. They are signals that your body is asking for the right inputs. When those inputs change, the outcomes change too. Seniors who stay strong into their 70s, 80s, and even 90s are not genetically special. They simply follow habits that support their body instead of draining it. One of the biggest myths about senior health is that you need extreme workouts or expensive diets to feel young again. That couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, your body responds better to simplicity now than it ever did before. Gentle consistency beats intensity. Smart nourishment beats restriction. And a calm, positive mindset beats stress every single time. Food is not just fuel at this stage of life, it is medicine. The right foods send powerful signals to your muscles, bones, brain, and hormones that say, stay strong, stay alert, stay capable. Simple, affordable meals with enough protein, natural fats, and fiber can dramatically improve strength, posture, and energy within weeks. This isn't about eating more, it's about eating smarter. Your muscles, even now, are listening. When you provide steady nourishment, your body slows muscle breakdown and begins repair again. That's why seniors who eat balanced meals throughout the day often feel steadier on their feet, more confident standing up, and more energized in the morning. This is not coincidence. It's biology working in your favor. Movement works the same way. You don't need a gym. You don't need heavy weights. Your body thrives on gentle daily motion, walking, light stretching, simple chair movements, and slow strength exercises wake up muscles that have been asleep for years. These movements improve circulation, joint lubrication, and balance. They tell your nervous system that you are still active, still capable, still strong. When seniors stop moving, the body adapts downward. When they start moving again, even gently, the body adapts upward. This is one of the most hopeful truths of aging. Your body does not punish you for starting late. It rewards you for starting now. Lifestyle habits matter more than most people realize. Sleep, sunlight, hydration, and stress management all directly affect muscle strength and energy. Poor sleep increases muscle breakdown. Dehydration leads to fatigue and dizziness. Chronic stress inflames the body and accelerates aging. But when these basics are addressed, the body shifts into repair mode. Something as simple as drinking enough water, getting morning light, and keeping a regular sleep routine can improve strength and mood within days. These are not small changes. They are foundational changes. Mindset may be the most overlooked factor of all. Seniors who believe they are fragile move less. They hesitate. They limit themselves. Seniors who believe improvement is possible move with confidence and purpose. That belief alone changes posture, balance, and motivation. Your brain and body are constantly communicating. When you tell yourself, I'm too old, your body listens. When you tell yourself, I can still improve, your body listens even more closely. Optimism is not wishful thinking. It is a biological signal that affects hormones, inflammation, and recovery. Every strong senior you admire made a quiet decision at some point. They chose consistency over excuses. They chose care over neglect. They chose belief over fear. And that decision compounds over time. You do not need to change everything today. You only need to begin. One better meal, one short walk, one stretch before bed, one positive thought about your body instead of criticism. These small actions stack faster than you think. This stage of life is not about proving anything to anyone else. It's about protecting your independence, your dignity, and your ability to enjoy the years ahead. Strength gives you freedom. Energy gives you confidence. And both are still within your reach. Stay with me, because in the next part, we will go deeper into the exact daily habits that allow seniors to feel lighter, stronger, and more youthful without pressure or overwhelm. Your body is ready. It has been waiting for you to believe in it again. And as we continue, it's important to understand something powerful. Your body after 60 is not broken. It's simply more honest. It responds quickly to what you give it. Feed it poorly, neglect movement, and stress it constantly, and it will show you the results. But nourish it well, move it gently, and speak to it with respect, and it will reward you faster than you expect. One of the most life-changing shifts seniors can make is understanding that energy is created, not lost. People often say, "I don't move because I'm tired," when the truth is, they're tired because they don't move. Light, consistent activity acts like a switch that turns energy back on. Even 5 minutes of movement can reduce stiffness, increase circulation, and improve mental clarity. Your muscles don't disappear overnight. They fade slowly when they are not challenged. The good news is that they also return when they are reminded of their purpose. Simple movements like standing up from a chair slowly, walking with intention, or lifting light. Household items activate muscle fibers that protect your joints and keep your balance sharp. These are the muscles that prevent falls and maintain independence. Balance itself is a skill, and skills can be practiced at any age. Standing on one foot while holding onto a chair, walking heel to toe, or gently shifting weight from side to side retrains the nervous system. When your brain trusts your body, fear decreases. And when fear decreases, movement becomes smoother and more confident. Food plays an equally important role. Many seniors unknowingly undereat protein, thinking it's only for young athletes. In reality, aging muscles require more consistent protein intake, not less. Small, protein-rich meals spread throughout the day support repair, strength, and recovery. This doesn't mean overeating. It means choosing foods that work harder for your body. Simple meals built around eggs, yogurt, legumes, fish, and dairy can provide everything your muscles need without stressing digestion. Adding fiber-rich vegetables supports gut health, which improves nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation. A healthy gut helps your body get more benefit from the food you already eat. Hydration is another silent game changer. Dehydration causes fatigue, dizziness, joint pain, and confusion, yet many seniors drink far less water than they need. Thirst signals weaken with age, so waiting until you feel thirsty is often too late. Regular sips throughout the day keep muscles elastic, joints cushioned, and energy levels steady. Sleep deserves special attention. Muscle repair, hormone balance, and brain health all depend on quality rest. Poor sleep accelerates aging, increases weakness, and drains motivation. Creating a calming evening routine, limiting late-night screen exposure, and eating lighter dinners can dramatically improve sleep quality. Even small improvements in sleep lead to noticeable gains in strength and mood. Stress may not seem physical, but it deeply affects the body. Chronic stress increases inflammation and breaks down muscle tissue. Seniors often carry quiet worries about health, finances, or independence. Learning to slow the breath, focus on gratitude, and stay present reduces this internal pressure. A calm nervous system allows the body to heal. Laughter, social connection, and purpose are powerful medicine. Seniors who stay socially engaged maintain better mobility, sharper thinking, and stronger immune systems. Talking, sharing meals, helping others, and staying mentally curious stimulate both brain and body. Isolation, on the other hand, accelerates decline faster than poor diet or lack of exercise. Mindset remains the foundation beneath everything. When you believe improvement is possible, you show up differently. You stand taller. You try again. You move with intention. This belief reshapes your future more than any supplement or workout plan ever could. Progress does not require perfection. Missing a day does not erase your effort. What matters is returning. Each time you choose movement over stillness, nourishment over neglect, and hope over fear, you reinforce a new identity. You are not someone getting old. You are someone staying capable. Your body remembers strength. It remembers coordination. It remembers resilience. Even if years have passed since you felt truly energetic, those pathways still exist. They awaken when given the chance. This phase of life is not about pushing harder. It's about listening better. When you listen, your body tells you exactly what it needs. And when you respond, it responds back with steadiness, clarity, and confidence. Now it's time to bring everything together and turn understanding into action, because knowledge alone does not change the body, but consistent, gentle action does. The most powerful routines for seniors are not complicated. They are simple, repeatable, and kind to the body. When practiced daily, they create strength, energy, and confidence almost quietly, without strain or pressure. A healthy, youthful body after 60 is built on rhythm, not force. Waking up at a similar time each day, eating at regular intervals, moving a little every day, and winding down at night tells your body that it is safe, supported, and stable. When the body feels safe, it stops wasting energy on stress and begins investing it in repair. Mornings set the tone. Gentle movement soon after waking helps joints loosen, improves circulation, and clears mental fog. Even a few minutes of stretching, walking, or simple standing movements can make the entire day feel lighter. This is not about exercise. It's about reminding your body that it is meant to move. Eating earlier in the day supports energy and digestion. A balanced breakfast with protein helps stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and support muscle maintenance. When your muscles receive nourishment early, they stay active and responsive throughout the day instead of breaking down. As the day continues, movement should feel natural, not forced. Short walks, standing breaks, light household tasks, or gentle strength movements spaced throughout the day keep muscles engaged without exhausting them. This approach works far better than doing nothing all day and then trying to make up for it later. Evening routines matter just as much. Eating lighter meals at night helps sleep quality and digestion. Gentle stretching or slow breathing before bed signals the nervous system to relax. When sleep improves, everything improves. Muscles repair better, hormones balance, mood stabilizes, energy returns. One of the greatest gifts you can give yourself is patience. The body does not change overnight, but it responds consistently when treated well. Strength returns in layers. First, balance improves, then energy increases. Then daily tasks feel easier, and one day you realize you are no longer thinking about your age at all. Fear is often the biggest barrier. Fear of injury, fear of pain, fear of disappointment, but avoiding movement out of fear creates the very weakness we fear most. Gentle action, guided by awareness and respect for your body, is the safest path forward. You are not fragile. You are adaptable. The human body was designed to heal, strengthen, and adjust across decades. Age changes how we train, not whether we can improve. The goal is not to look younger. The goal is to feel capable, to stand up easily, to walk confidently, to carry groceries without strain, to get out of bed without fear. These are the markers of true youthfulness. Every positive choice you make sends a message to your future self. You are telling that person, I cared enough to protect you. That future self will thank you with steadier steps, clearer thinking, and a stronger body. Comparison is unnecessary. Your journey is yours alone. Some days will feel easy, others will feel slow. Both are part of progress. What matters is continuing. Consistency creates momentum. Momentum creates belief. Belief creates confidence, and confidence changes how you move through the world. You do not need permission to take care of yourself. You do not need approval to prioritize your health, and you do not need to prove anything to anyone. Your well-being is reason enough. Strength is not about lifting heavy weights. It's about being able to live life fully. Energy is not about being busy. It's about feeling alive. Youthfulness is not measured by age, but by engagement with life. Your body is still capable of surprising you. It is still capable of healing. It is still capable of becoming stronger than it is today. All it asks is consistency, kindness, and belief. This is your reminder that aging does not mean shrinking, it means refining. It means choosing what truly matters. And what matters most is your ability to live independently, confidently, and joyfully. Stay committed to small daily actions. Feed your body well. Move it gently, rest it deeply. Speak to it with respect, and trust the process. You are not running out of time. You are stepping into a phase of life where wisdom meets strength, and that combination is powerful. If you continue showing up for yourself, your body will continue showing up for you.